Aqua Bounty salmon served on a crunchy wonton taco with cucumber ginger slaw is a scrumptious twist on your traditional taco. Healthy and satisfying, these crispy salmon tacos are perfect as appetizers or shared small plates. Let me show you how to make them. We'll start with yuzu koshu mayonnaise. Combine the mayonnaise, yuzu koshu, lemon juice, ginger, and garlic in a bowl. Then spoon the mixture into a piping bag. For the cucumber ginger slaw, combine the cucumber, cabbage, ginger, and green onions in a bowl. Sprinkle with rice vinegar, sesame oil, salt, and pepper, and gently mix. Here I have wonton wrappers that I've fried in oil, then shaped by hanging on a spoon handle to form a taco shell shape. Now we'll prepare our salmon. First, season the fish with salt and pepper. Heat oil in a sauté pan over high heat. Add the salmon, searing well on both sides until it's golden brown on the exterior. Place a spoonful of the slaw in the center of a wonton shell. Top with a piece of salmon. Drizzle with your yuzu koshu mayonnaise and garnish with wasabi tobiko, which are wasabi-infused fish eggs that give a great little pop. Finally, top with a little bit of micro cilantro. These make a fantastic, tasty appetizer. Enjoy!